guys, it's another video, and today we're not going to do anything on that, I don't think. Yeah, this is now a thing that's appeared. We have the engine on the bench, so I think we're just going to do something on this today. It's a bit of a break from the shell, you know. I'm just going to have them both, two projects going on at the same time, and sort of prioritise the shell, but then if that pisses me off a bit or whatever, I can just come and do something to this, because it's a 998. The plan is keep the 998, bore it out a bit and make lots more ponies than it's currently got. So yeah, it's all standard internals at the moment. I had a stage, for fuck's sake, I had a stage 1 on it, and yeah, it went alright, but oil pressure's pretty low, and yeah, I definitely want more power. So I think we will start taking it apart. We'll take off the alternator, leads, pipes and stuff, and then maybe start taking the wok off. Now my friend James from the last video where we started his engine up, and this is what's inspired me to get on with this, by the way, is because we got his running, but he's given me given me a puller tool for the flywheel, so that's good. So that'll come in handy, so cheers for that, buddy. So yeah, let's cut to the time lapse and start taking this apart. Okay, so so far I've just got a few bits off the engine. It's some bits have been really tight, but been alright on it generally. So we've got the alternator off, water pump, the big engine mount bracket thing, fuel pump, all the engine mounts, coil, speedo cable, dizzy cap and leads, and also the tapper chest cover with the breather on it, because every time I spun the engine round it was whacking the light, and I was worried it was going to smash the bulb. So yeah, that's all off. Oh, and the clutch, slave cylinder and bracket as well. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all else I'm going to take off before I start. You know, I'm going to think I might take the wok off soon, but yeah, I'll get that coolant pipe off. Obviously I'll eventually split the engine and gearbox, but it's still full of oil. I need to get myself an oil pan anyway to change the oil in Zippy, because at home I just use like a litre tray and pour it back in the bottle. It's a pain. I'd rather just have a pan sort of thing which I can then cap off and then take it to the tip and empty it out. So yeah, well, I'm going to order them one of them tonight, because I need to change the oil in Zippy anyway very soon, so we'll empty this out as well. And luckily I go past the tip on the way here, so that's handy. So yeah, we'll get that pipe off and then hopefully start on taking the wok off. Also, let's just show you this. Pretty sure there's not meant to be that much play in it, is there? Yeah, so that's probably broken, in need of repair. Something needs replacing in there, so yeah, that's all good. And in other news, Michael asked me to put the battery on charge in the Honda, and it was not taking a charge at all, and after cycling the charger many times, that probably means nothing to you, but yeah, that basically means it's actually charging now. So yay, that's good. It took about an hour of it being connected to that spare battery for it to not just throw up an error on the charger. So yeah, that was definitely very dead. So yeah, let's carry on taking this engine apart. Hey, there we go. Okay. So maybe that, which is, oh okay, maybe that's where the play's coming from. I assume it might be. I don't know. Just I'll have to look into that because I don't really know what I'm doing at this point again. So yeah, there we go. It's off. Exciting. So decide what we'll get off next then. Okay, so off camera, because it was just taking forever to get it off, we have the clutch and flywheel off. So yeah, it was actually very disappointing the way it went. It was winding on, and it suddenly just started to get loose-ish, but it felt more like the threads were stripping on the puller. So I sort of backed it off and checked it, and it looked like the threads were fine, so I put it back on again, and yeah, it still kept on doing the same thing. And then I went to just turn it around a bit to whack the back of it through the starter motor hole, and it just spun round, but then the other end of the crank wasn't turning. So at first I was a little concerned as to what was going on, and then as I spun it again, it sort of just slid off a bit more. So yeah, it just came off, no bang, no excitement. Yeah, it came off really easily actually. So yeah, kind of disappointed a little bit. I wanted it to go with a bit of a bang, but you know, it's one of them. It's off, so I'm happy enough. End of the ooh, nearly knocked that on the floor. That would not have been nice to drop on my toes. End of the crank looks alright. So yeah, that's good. So I'm going to call it a day now, as it is 8:45 and I'm hungry, so I've not had my tea yet. So yeah, that's it for this episode, the first episode of the engine rebuild series. So yeah, I'll just take this puller off, put this somewhere safe, and be off home. Thing is so heavy. I've not actually picked it up yet since it sort of just slid off onto the table. But yeah, heavy. So yeah, it's been quite fun taking all these bits off, but be nice to get some more done on it, but it'll be a while. We'll do some more bodywork next. So yeah, but yeah, nice first video to the series. Got plenty done, so that's good. So yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Check out the Facebook page, like the video, subscribe, etc. And I will speak to you soon. Bye for now.